Hello everyone. In my previous video, I talked about how to use template in the EcoStruxure Object Terminal Expert. Today I continue talk about how to use template to connect PLC. Okay. First, I use EcoStruxure Control Expert PLC. I create a small program. Start button is wrong. Okay. Then we still use the template. We open template is a program since last the video we talk about this one. Okay. Then we open as a new project. Okay. Create a new project. First, we just move all this photo from the template here. Okay, we use this one. Indicate off, copy, then go back to my project, double content here. We paste. We still this one 573. Okay. Then still use other way on here, copy, go to content, paste. This is 575. Let me see. Oh, 573, 574. Okay. $574. Okay, that's it. Then go to the tool chest. We changing this color set to 2. Blue is look nice. Okay. Okay. Then go to the screen. In the template project, go to the screen. We still use this one, first one. We go to object list. We check here, indicate light, double click here. Then we copy. Go to screen. Copy. Okay. Then we copy this button. Okay. Then go to the template project. We copy all this one, convert. Double click here. Copy. Okay, then go to the variable, all variable. All the variables there. Look here. That's it. This one is similar in my previous video. Let me try first. It's just use lint tag. Okay. Yeah, it's working. Now we just connect to PLC. Okay. Then go to driver. Double click driver. We choose Schneider TCP master. Okay. Here. Then go to symbolic link. Go to the Control Expert file, import. Here, go to the desk. I create already. Need test. Okay. Here. So now we just changing this tag is this photo the tag variable. Okay, go to function. Temperature. Oh no, first go to the screen. This off. In here, we double click here. We go to variable. We choose start. Okay. Then function. Yeah. Detail. Let me see. In here should be changed. Okay. Everything changed. This is here. Variable. Start. Okay. Here we should change it. Here is variable. We should change in run. Okay. In here nothing. Okay. Then go to this one. Off. Double click. Here favorite. Shape. Function. We choose here is bit. In here it's off. Reset. Okay. Reset. Variable is run. Reset. Okay. Then go to here. Bits. Variable is set. Okay. It's wrong. Okay. Then let me check. Okay, then here. Okay, it's working. Look. Off, on, off, on, off, on. Similarly, neutral track. Okay, so that's it. So here should be first you just copy all the project tag. After that, changing tag in here. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.